Hi, this is Dan Bingham with Micron. I'm here at MWC Barcelona with James Clardy, co-founder of NetFoundry. So NetFoundry is a company that does a lot of work with Micron, particularly in the security and IoT space. So James, talk about kind of what your relationship is with Micron and what you're doing.
Okay. Well, first I'll introduce NetFoundry itself. We are an internally incubated startup company headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're an ISV producing a software network virtualization infrastructure for industrial IoT use cases. And as a pure play software company, we've decided to spin this out of Tata and operate carrier independent. NetFoundry is used to connect multiple endpoints over multiple networks to multiple clouds and backends. In this context, we provide high security, failover resilience in the public internet, and traffic shaping for performance optimization. Within the industrial IoT space, we've been working with Micron on what we refer to as zero trust silicon to cloud infrastructure. What this means is taking hardware rooted identities based in the Micron Authenta technology and using those to create highly secure network segments from an industrial gateway or an industrial device through a carrier network, through the public internet, up to multiple different cloud backends. And those backends can be on one or more private or public clouds or in a private data center, all connected securely to the endpoint. So the Micron Authenta is able to provide, through both a hardware root of trust and support for the Trusted Computing Group DICE standard, multiple separate keys that allow us to separately authenticate network connections by apps or services running on that industrial gateway to their respective cloud providers and owners. This lets you provide both mixed ownership of devices and high security for remote provisioning and management, all through a simple infrastructure.
Okay, great. So essentially this is an extra layer of cybersecurity that you provide together with a flash-enabled device.
Yes.
So it's a software service?
It's a software service. We sell it as SaaS based on data volumes, but it's not just security. We provide in the internet itself traffic shaping to improve performance through reducing latency and jitter. And we also prevent man-in-the-middle attacks by moving the internet routing dynamically in real time, and so that no consistent path ever carries the data. We're using techniques that came out of DoD research. It's called the software-defined perimeter standard. This is a technique whereby endpoints have to authenticate themselves before they're authorized to connect. We're using Authenta as an identity. We're actually deriving multiple identities for each application at the endpoint to separately connect on separate internet connections.
Okay.
It's a very flexible architecture that has many use cases. In the industrial IoT, it's uniquely secure when combined with Authenta and trusted execution environments.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for your help.
Thank you.
All right.